US CPA course seems to be the talk of the town. Everyone right now is talking about pursuing a career as a US CPA. But there seems to be a lot of misinformation in the market about what does this course actually entail. Now let me walk you through it. The US CPA course is a course that is offered by the AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which is a body in the United States of America. Now, like you have the Indian Chartered Accountancy course offered by ICAI in India, similarly, the US CPA course is an equivalent of the Indian CA course, but it is the United States equivalent of this particular curriculum. Now, the US CPA course is truly a global chartered accountancy certification. Let us break it down into how do you need to go about studying, what is the eligibility, how many papers, and other aspects related to the course. First of all, let us try to understand the eligibility. Now, to become eligible to write the US CPA exams, you need a minimum of 120 credits. Now, what are these credits? Basically, what the US CPA body checks is whether you have prior knowledge of accounting and finance, more specifically knowledge of accounting. What they do is they ask you for transcripts of your undergrad degree. So if you have completed a BCom, from most universities in India, you can average up to 90 credits based on the subjects that you have studied. But to write the US CPA exams, you need a minimum of 120 credits. So simply doing your BCom is not going to be enough. Along with BCom, you would need to have completed at least 1 year of your MCom, not any other post-graduation. You need to have completed at least 1 year of your MCom in order to bring you up to the 120 credit mark. But if you have not completed your MCom and you are an Indian Chartered Accountant, you will still get 120 credits based on your CA final mark sheets. Now, once you have these 120 credits, then you are eligible to write the US CPA exam. Now, who evaluates these 120 credits for you? There are evaluation agencies appointed by the AICPA which perform this particular activity. They calculate your eligibility by putting together your scores and results, and they give you in writing that you have more than 120 credits which are required to write the US CPA exams. So if anybody else is telling you otherwise, please beware. Nobody is allowed to give you any valuation apart from these couple of bodies that are appointed by the AICPA. So make sure that you are well researched on that particular aspect. The US CPA exam has 4 papers. Which are these 4 papers? There is FAR, that is Financial Accounting and Reporting. There is Audit, there is Taxation and Regulation. These are 3 compulsory papers. And then you have 1 optional paper that you have to choose from 3 subjects: Business Analysis and Reporting or BAR, Tax Compliance, which is TCP, and you have Information Systems and Control, which is the 3rd optional paper. Out of these 3, you have to pick one depending on what specialization do you want for yourself. Now, once you have finished all the 4 papers, you can say that you have cleared the US CPA examination, but still your license is awaited. When do you get a license? You get your license only after completion of 150 credits. Now, the registration process for the US CPA exam is state specific, but that does not change the contents of the examination or the contents of the syllabus. Regardless of which state you get yourself registered from, you will always end up writing the same examination. Earlier, people had to travel all the way to the United States of America or all the way to Dubai in order to write the US CPA exam. Right now, that is not the requirement. You can write these exams well from India. There are Prometric centers in all the major metros: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and all the other metro cities. You can go there, write your exams, and finish the US CPA qualification at the earliest. Just ensure that whenever you are preparing, whenever you are getting registered for the course, you have all the necessary information that is required. Otherwise, you will end up paying a coaching institute without having complete knowledge and visibility on whether you are even eligible to write the exams. To know more about the US CPA course, please get in touch with our counselors who are there to guide you and help you pave a strong career for yourself. Thank you.